So this is Infinix Smart 5 going to perform FRP, going to bypass FRP. Here we go. Here connect to internet. Connect to internet. Connect internet. Connected. Let's forget. Yo salió ni marida, So we have nowhere here, so go back here, disconnect internet, disconnect to worker source, then the next. Use face unlocker only. Use face unlocker only. Let's check whether it has worked. We're done. So go back here. Connect back out the network. Connect back a network. Go back. Connect back a network. As you see, it is back. First forget it. Let's go back. Just here what you do, just connect back a network. No need of anything. Let's connect back a internet. And we have already set our password. Now let's go. This is the easiest way, the simplest, easiest way to bypass FRP on Infinix Smart 5. So that is all. Now on this point, you can go back to the previous menu and disconnect. Forget and use this button. Now it is working now. Next. Now you're done. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more latest updates. Subscribe for more latest updates. So go there and remove your password signed in.